Noli Biryoso, OPMP Worldwide.
Ako talaga?
Yes. Put me on the spot. Anyway, good evening. I'm Noli for OPMP. First of all, congratulations, Ayan. It's Ayan?
Ayan.
Okay. Ayan, my question is, from the time na nalaman mo yung good news na ikaw na yung man of the world Philippines, hanggang ngayon, ngayon na rito, nag-think na ba sa sarili mo na ikaw na yung man of the world?
Ano yung nag-think?
Actually po, nung nalaman ko that night, tumawag si Sir June sa akin, nasa Sikihor ako nagbabakasyon. So, naka-vacation mode ako. Tapos sabi ko, anong nangyayari? Parang hindi ko ma-absorb. Nag-sink in na lang po siya sa akin kanina nung pinapatong na ni June yung ground na parang okay, this is it. Kaya nung I prepared a short acceptance speech, hindi ko napigilang medyo maging emotional kasi doon pa lang siya nag-sink in ng todo. Though I was preparing for it for weeks, pero ngayon lang talaga siya nag-sink in and ganun pala ka-overwhelming magkaroon ng title, especially Man of the World.
Okay. Just a follow-up question. Okay, of course we all know that tapos na yung Man of the World edition of this year. And bilang bagong Man of the World Philippines, of course, you need the opportunity to compete internationally. So, personally, are you parang nag-hope ka pa rin ba na makapag-compete? Not necessarily Man of the World, but to compete internationally.
Yun po, sayang lang, na-miss ko yung opportunity to compete the Man of the World international na competition. Pero I think this crown, even though I'm just finishing the ring and I'll be the one passing the crown to the next Man of the World Philippines, I am not closing any doors. Palay natin, di ba? In the near future. Pero wala na. Sa ngayon, wala po. I am savoring this moment na I am Man of the World Philippines 2024 and I will enjoy it as much as I can.
Thank you so much. Congratulations and best of luck.
Maraming salamat po.
First of all, congratulations. My name is Ferdy from Eventology, Wow Pageants, Compel Pageantry, and Eventology. Apat na po ang page ko. Sorry, may isa pa pang...
May sabay bang nakalive yan?
Ayos po, sabay-sabay tayo nakalive. Ayan. Congratulations on getting the title after the incident. Ayan. So may question, ano lang ako kay Sir Noli? So, syempre, hindi ka na makakapag-compete for Man of the World. So, for Peps, Sir Carlo, ano ang ibibigay mo international title for? Ayan.
Si Sir Carlo pala ang pinag-.
Sir Carlo.
Yes.
Okay, we're actually under negotiation for a title, an international title for Ayan. Pero actually, surprise nga, which is sabihin ko na ngayon. Pero siguro soon, pag na-confirm na siya, yung license and everything nasa akin na, Ayan will compete in siya. So, yeah. Kasi, this kind of king deserves na mag-represent talaga ng Philippines. Yeah. Kasi, honestly, yung pinakita niya sa Resource sa Pilipinas, like, sa mga activities namin, like, laging present, laging ganyan, tapos laging, alam mo yung, nakita niya naman, di ba, siya yung nag-host minsan, di ba? So parang, nakita ko yung effort niya as Mr. sa Pilipinas King talaga. And I hope sa mga upcoming kings ng Mr. sa Pilipinas, tulanan nyo, sina RJ De Vera, sina Ayan, kasi honestly, sila yung mga work but na indesan talaga. And you know what? Sa grupo ng Peps talaga, or something like that. Pag mabait ka kasi, lahat kami mabait talaga sa'yo. Talagang hanggang sa mga appearances mo and all, sasamahan ka talaga natin. Pero pag attitude, ganun pa.
Ayun. So yung question ulit kay Sir Carlo. Ano lang siguro for Sir June kasi is part of Peps. So syempre nagkaroon tayo ng problema with one of the winners ng One of the World. First time I think, tama ba ako, na nagka-problema tayo? First time. So, ano yung gagawin nyo, sige, ASCII, ano yung gagawin nyo for this year's Mr. sa Pilipinas that would prevent such thing to happen?
First is communication, orientation, and
Hindi ba na-orient?
medyo,
Hindi ba na-orient?
I think meron kaming, there was a time na binala kasi ng Mr. sa Pilipinas na isuspend yung contract. Before kasi nung 2013, nung nag-start kami, we don't have contract. So we try na ibalik yung ganong situation, pero medyo hindi siya nag-materialize. So 2000, this year, sa Mr. sa Pilipinas, we're going back sa lahat is black and white. Although hindi pa naman, pero thankful pa rin naman kami kay Rahel kasi he did his part as Mr. sa Pilipinas king nung time niya. So, nung naghiwalay, I think kung ano man yung naiambag niya sa Mr. sa Pilipinas Organization, pinapasalamatan namin yon. Pero mas nagpapasalamat kami ngayon sa aming reigning king.
Siyempre, hindi natin may iwasan siyempre sa pagkakaroon ng gano'ng insidente. May mga questions also from the fans na sila yun naman yung nagsusupport sa atin or sa Mr. sa Pilipinas. So, ang question nila ngayon, magkano kayo natitirang price for Ayan?
Well, based on records, 35,000 yung naibigay sa, we have remaining 65,000 na makukuha niya for continuing the responsibilities plus yung mga opportunities and non-cash prizes na madadagdag during this reign. So lahat yun is mapupunta sa kanya.
Thank you, Sir ASCII.
Meron pa ba?
Hindi, meron pa. Si Doc Peter naman.
Critical beauty.
News broke out in social media. Have you spoken with Rahel? Or have you
talked?
Well, I'm gonna be honest with you all. The night I found out, or they told me na nag-resign si Rahel, and he posted, someone messaged me dun sa post. Tapos, I was planning to message him. Ako yung unang mag-approach. Kasi ayoko magmukha. Kasi we're in good terms eh. Kami lahat ng kings. Okay ako sa kanila kasi wala akong masamang tinapay sa mga tao. And people know that. Kung makikisama ako, makikisama ako. Kaya, parang out of respect, it came to my mind, crossed my mind, na i-message siya or tawagan siya just to clear things out. Na, Rahel, ako yung first runner-up, so it's my duty to, yun nga yun, ano sinasabi nila, if the winner fulfill his duties, the first runner-up will take over. So ako, as the first runner-up, it's a duty to me. Para sa akin, this is duty, not impersonal. Kasi at the end of the day, this is work. And we need to be professional about it. That's what I did. And to answer your question, I did not message him kasi I think discouraged me na not to talk to him. And I was waiting, and hindi rin siya, tapos sinacheck ko, hindi rin ako ng friend ko. I think we're still good. Medyo mainit lang talaga yung, ano man tawag dito, the movement. So that's it.
Last.
Hello, my name is Eric from Philippines and Philippines.
Hi, sir.
My question to you is that, aside from savoring the time that you will be Mr. of Pilipinas winner, ano ba yung mga nilatag na programa or responsibilities or activities para ma-maximize mo yung time mo as the winner?
Actually, sa Wednesday, meron ng guesting agad. Ganun. Tapos, may mga naka-line up na naman na events. Nag-adjust din kasi sila sa schedule ko because of my job. Medyo yung schedule. So, we're plotting it na. And I'm very grateful na kahit sabihin natin sinalo ko lang yung responsibility, hindi nila ako pinabayaan at hindi nila pinaramdam sa akin na wala nang gagawa nito, ito na lang gumawa. Parang ang pinaramdam sa akin na sa akin yung responsibility to begin with. Yun na. Thank you.
Ano gusto mo tanong?
Kumain na ba?
Ano na?
Kumain na ba?
As the new man of the world, Philippines, what for you is your message na lang to everyone? Diba, who aspires to be a pageant king or queen?
Well, the main goal ng Mr. sa Pilipinas is the man of the world title. Tinanong nila ako yung close door interview. Meron 5 titles. Tinanong nila parang yung hierarchy. Pwede mo makoto, ano yung next. Isa lang ang sinagot ko. It's man of the world. And now that I got the title, aside from being grateful and hindi ko na paano sasabihin ito pero sobrang salamat ko. Gagalingan ko. Sinabi ko kanina, I will fulfill what needs to be fulfilled and I will make the most out of it. So sa remaining time na mag-reign ako as man of the world. So expect me to give my best, my 100% effort para magampanan ko kung ano yung expected sa akin. Maraming salamat.
A gift that comes from him.